In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable chat in Roblox on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, essentially, once you're in Roblox, go ahead and get into any game that has voice chat. For example, we know, Rivals technically has voice chat. Actually, let's go ahead and get in Bake or Die, right? Once you're in any of the games, if the chat is loading on your screen, you just need to press the options button on your controller. Once you go ahead and press that options button, this is going to open up the Roblox menu and you're going to see chat controls on here. Select that. And then, of course, what you essentially need to go ahead and do is just select chat again, and it'll go ahead and go away. Now, in mini games, you can also just press L2 in order to go ahead and hide the chat. Like if it's on your screen real quick, you can actually press L2 and it'll hide it. But in some games, the control might be a little bit different, so it's worth checking out your settings. But that's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.